Welcome to 36 Etobicoke, where timeless elegance meets modern luxury in a seamless blend of nature and design. This stunning property is wrapped in traditional red brick, harmoniously contrasted by sleek, contemporary black accents. The Boston ivy gracefully climbs over the wood slats, adding a touch of natural beauty that changes with the seasons. As you approach the entrance, you'll notice the dark, new teakwood wall, perfectly complemented by slender posts that offer a hint of modern sophistication. Above, the overhang is adorned with lush plants, creating a warm and inviting welcome as you step inside. At the rear, the connection with nature continues. The spacious backyard features a hot tub, thoughtfully integrated into the landscape, offering a serene escape where you can relax and unwind, surrounded by the beauty of the conservation area that borders the property. Etobicoke is more than just a house. It's a sanctuary where traditional charm meets contemporary style, all in perfect harmony with nature.